Do you have a trip to the casino planned, maybe a trip to Vegas, and you're intimidated by slot machines? In this video, I'm going to explain how to play slot machines for someone that has never touched one before. This video is part of a series of everything about slot machines, so if you want to see how they actually work, make sure to check out the rest of the series. So now the first thing that we got to do now that we're here, we got to go and get our player's card. A player's card is how they track you so they can give you free gifts just for gambling with them. It's going to be stuff like free hotel rooms, free play for the machines. And remember to sign up for one, even if you don't plan on spending a ton of money. Sometimes they'll give you introductory offers just because they can see that you're maybe interested in gambling. So make sure you take advantage of that. So now that we got our player's card, the first thing to do is just kind of walk around the casino, take a breath for a minute, and take everything in. All the games are split into denominations, like the penny machines, the nickel machines, the dollar machines. Walk around the casino, figure out where they kind of all are. The worst thing you can do is just walk up to the first machine you see, start playing that one. Well, let's go find a machine, see if I can't explain a few different concepts. So now that I found a machine I want to try, the first thing to do is put the player's card in. It's going to display my name on there. That's how I know it's working. Then we need to put some money in. They accept cash or these tickets. Put some cash in. Put the ticket in. Either one. And I really recommend reading the game rules of any game that you want to play. You don't really have to, but I really recommend it. Next, we're going to have to figure out how much we're going to bet per spin. Most games you can choose how much you're going to bet on each line and then how many lines you're going to play. Most people recommend betting the max. I actually don't recommend that always. You're going to want to read the game rules and make sure that you're betting enough that you're able to hit the bonus round. But you don't necessarily have to bet the max over that. One thing that can confuse a lot of new players is wins are calculated from left to right. So you could have the same symbol all over the screen, but if the first column doesn't match, you don't win anything. And then because of the multi-lines, something like this will probably be a winner. And then when we're all done, we decide we want to cash out. We just hit the cash out button. Then we can either take this ticket and go put it in another machine, keep playing, or we can take it to redeem it for cash. Let's take it and put it in one more machine, keep playing a little bit more. These are actually the games that I would recommend playing, some of the older games that have a really small max jackpot. The games that have a really big jackpot, they're going to pay out way less often. And then this is a $5 machine. Even only playing one credit on this, you're going to have way better odds than playing a penny machine for 500 credits. Still $5 per spin, but way better odds. So once again, we're going to put the player's card in first. Reads my name, that's how I know it worked. And then we're going to take the ticket that we got from the other machine and put it in right here. You can see right here the number of credits that I'm playing. That's really important to check. Once it's on the right number of credits, then you just hit spin. Just like that, I won 100 bucks. I'm going to hit cash out. And always try to remember your player's card. Then we just come to one of these redemption machines, we put our ticket in, it'll give us cash out. But now that you guys understand how to play these slot machines, you're definitely going to want to check out the rest of the series so you can see how they actually work. Leave a comment, let me know about the trip you have planned for the casino. Don't forget to like the video, please consider subscribing. For your next Vegas trip, get educated. Thanks for watching.